What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we're going to be looking at Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as XLM to BTC. We're also going to be looking at the current coin market cap. As you know, the past couple of videos, we were following a major breakout, which recently ended in us hitting a major resistance level, as stated in my last video that I posted yesterday, which was Litecoin hitting a resistance and pulling back down, as you can see in the thumbnail photo. You'll notice that is still being a confirmation in moving into today's episode. You'll see the resistance is pulling us back down within Litecoin, within Bitcoin, as well as within Ethereum. The top 10 cryptocurrencies are all pretty much down. So in today's video, I want to discuss specifically where we're going to be seeing these coins potentially retrace down to, what are great buying opportunities, things of that nature. Otherwise, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing, turning on post notifications, and remember, we're doing a free $25 Bitcoin giveaway on Friday. That's literally, I believe, in 2 days. So all you have to do to enter that is make sure to leave a comment down below in regards to what we're talking about on today's episode, and you'll be entered in the giveaway. Otherwise, let's move on to today's video. So guys, as you can see, we are on the current coin market cap, and we're starting to see the retracement happening, which is expected. Bitcoin pretty much flatlined out, and a lot of the other cryptocurrencies are starting to dip down and retrace lower as the time, continues. We've seen that major retracement or correction upwards, which was beautiful, but it was not sustainable, and we're starting to see that dip happening right now. I know a lot of other YouTubers are starting to be extremely bullish right now, but I do think in the short term we are going to see some sort of retracement, lowering us back down and setting us up for the next bull run. You can see majority of the cryptos are pretty much down about 3 to 4%, so we don't look too bad. You'll notice on Bitcoin and the other cryptocurrencies what exactly is happening. You'll see Litecoin more specifically. We're on the 4-hour, this is the Coinbase chart, and you'll notice a couple of things. Now yesterday I was kind of weary because these are the 4-hour charts. Yesterday when I went to sleep, we were at this candlestick right here, which was actually breaking through the resistance band up top, which got me fairly worried due to the fact that I thought we were going to break bullish from here. And then I figured most people were going to FOMO buy in, and we were going to drive the price up even more, pushing us into an extremely overbought market that needed to retrace even lower. The good thing is I woke up this morning and checked the markets, and you'll notice we're actually retracing lower. This was a wick that formed similar to the previous charts that we've had, the previous candlesticks that we've had, and now we're starting to retrace lower. So this is a great, visual of us breaking through and then retracing lower and breaking bearish from what appears to be an ascending triangle, which pulls us lower. So it looks like we're heading straight to the high-low middle moving average on the 4-hour, which looks okay. You can see the bearish cross on the MACD. That blue band did cross over the orange, which is indicating a reversal and us pulling lower, which is what is happening right now. So short term, I am anticipating a retracement down to at least $54 to $55, and then you have to take into consideration that there is a chance we could fall even lower. And if we pull up the, the Fibonacci, which is right here, we can potentially anticipate lower levels in the near future. We could easily anticipate a move down to $49. That is definitely an option here. You'll notice that'll probably send us into oversold, but in terms of a correction downwards, it's definitely possible, similar to what we've seen in the past, before potentially seeing another attempt to break bullish from this major descending, fractal that we've had on Litecoin. You can see as I zoom out what exactly I'm referring to. For those of you who are new to the channel, you'll see that we're in a major descending fractal. We're hitting resistance right here. The high-low MMA is also suppressing us, and we're starting to what looks like retrace back down with an easy retestment of $50. Now, I do want to continue on. Hold on a second. The great thing that I want to discuss with you guys is Bitcoin is also retracing lower. And I know for a lot of you who are investing in the market are usually only investing in terms of buying and then selling when it's high. But for most of you should hopefully know what shorting cryptocurrency is. You can short Bitcoin and make money as it heads lower. I know it's definitely been talked about here in the channel, and I know it's definitely been talked about in cryptocurrency, but I feel like it's extremely difficult to do because not many people are aware of how to actually do it. And that leads me to discuss today's sponsor, Dudex, which is an awesome exchange. As you guys can see right here, this is the Dudex website. It's the first link in the description. Definitely check it out. This website has actually been extremely beneficial to me in my trading in the past couple of days than I ever imagined. Not only is the exchange beautifully shown, it's definitely for more advanced users. I recommend if you're advanced or you want to get more involved in this to definitely check it out. We'll be discussing it more on this channel, but this is pretty awesome of an exchange. Not only can you buy long and sell and short Bitcoin. I believe it's only Bitcoin. You can only do Bitcoin, but you can buy long and you can sell short. This opens some pretty amazing windows. So for example, I've actually included money into this account, and you'll notice that Bitcoin was at a resistance of $9,500. We were extremely overbought and extremely, overextended on the MACD, which I was pretty sure we were going to see a reversal downwards, which is what we're seeing. We saw that bearish crossover. We're starting to see retracement on the high-low MMA and the RSI. So I figured this would be a great opportunity to test out the website. So believe it or not, I actually did a short. Something that, I didn't think would be that easy, and it was. So it's an opportunity for you guys to make money as well. So you can buy long, you can sell short, you can also leverage trade. So that's what I did. I 2 times my leverage trade. So if I had $400, I believe it's giving me like $800 in value on the crypto that I'm shorting. All right, so as you guys can see, we also offer that leverage trading, and I can show you guys my trade history. You'll notice some pretty awesome stuff. So you can see the order that I put out was shorting. I shorted $400, and it's doubled because I believe I leverage traded, and it was 2 times. You can see I shorted it at a price of $9,600 and pretty much 2 times at around $9,600. You'll see here. Now, if you view where that is in terms of the price, we're currently at $9,100 on Bitcoin. So that means that it's a pretty good short. And the great thing is it literally shows you your positions at the bottom here, which is absolutely phenomenal in regards to keeping track and making it very organized and learning how exactly to buy and sell. So you can actually see the profit that you're making, which absolutely blows my mind. Now, it shows you guys here that Bitcoin, which I have an $800 quantity of because I doubled it with my leverage here, I'm currently shorting it with an entry price of $9,605. The current price that we're at now is $9,100. So I'm shorting this Bitcoin purchase right now, and it's making me a return on investment of over 10%, which I made in a couple of days, which is absolutely fantastic. And you can see this is the exact profit that it's showing you guys, which is absolutely awesome. So I'm really starting to like this website over Coinbase Pro. I do know Coinbase Pro gives you opportunities to buy and sell other cryptocurrencies, but they don't give you the opportunity to short the cryptocurrencies. I've also noticed that the fees are fairly low, and this website is literally hooked up with TradingView. So not only that, but you can actually draw lines, you can add the RSI. I've added my MACD indicators, and it's pretty much made charting Bitcoin the easiest here with market trading, stop market trading. I think they even have stop limit orders and a ton of other indicators that you can use to make, the best trades possible. So I highly recommend you guys check this out. I am super excited to announce that I'm using Dudex. That's absolutely awesome. And the fact that you can now short cryptocurrency, which we can, discuss more on this channel. So I highly recommend you check that out. It's the first link in the description. Otherwise, let's continue on with Bitcoin. So we know that Bitcoin hit a resistance here, and we're starting to see that retracement as expected, which is why I'm shorting the coin right now, making profit. You can see the other main reason why I'm shorting is because we are extremely overextended on the daily. The daily lasts a lot longer than the 4-hour. We're hitting a resistance of the high-low middle moving averages right here, and we're fairly close to being overbought on the daily's RSI, which is a great indication that we're probably going to start retracing lower. Now, based off of previous history, you can see the analysis right here. This was a huge resistance. So if things play out correctly, I'm most likely going to continue shorting this because there's a good chance we're going to ride the top of the downtrend lower, which is ultimately going to be making me a crap ton of profit in the long run as well. So this is a great opportunity to check out Dudex. You can actually short these cryptocurrencies, as I am anticipating a lower movement. And then you can see moving on to Ethereum with its ascending triangle, I was very surprised with this pump fake. We saw a break through the resistance up here, shooting us to 191. I was quite amused that I thought we were going to be heading higher up, but it immediately reversed down. Crypto likes to do that, and we're starting to head lower. You can see that bearish crossover on the MACD, another great indicator of a retracement and a head to lower levels. And then lastly, XLM, which is taking a immediate reversal. One was anticipating a higher move. That is what actually happened. We saw about a 12% gain, I think, up to, or a 10 to 11% gain up to the highlight on May. And now we're seeing that reversal as the market dips down lower too. Everything else is pretty much starting to withdraw back, as well as XLM. So that was a very quick trade off of here. And I've now moved my position into Bitcoin. As you can see, I'm shorting the coin right now with a double leverage. You can see the leverage is twice right here. That's what the 2 times means. So I'm not sure if this is my margin exactly, or if this is the margin and then we multiply it twice. So this could be my exact profit, or it could be my doubled profit. So not sure yet. There's a couple things I need to figure out within Dudex, but I highly recommend you check that out. Otherwise, guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely make sure to subscribe. Turn on post notifications. Remember, we're doing a giveaway. All you have to do is comment something relevant to the channel down below to be entered, and then make sure to check out Dudex. They're an awesome sponsor. It is the first link in the description. Peace.